see the next product which I got. This is also from Amazon. What I have here is a data cable, USB-C to USB-C, 2 meter, 6.6 feet, fast charge enable, scan the QR code for the extensive compatibility list, and MRP is 1499, 2 years warranty is what they claim. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it is. So in the box, what we get is this wire, 2 meter, and when is this guide? It is in, I think, Chinese. I'm not sure why they are giving this Chinese name here. Maybe if someone is watching from China, they will be able to understand it. Okay, let's keep it aside. Apart from manual, nothing else, just this wire. I already have one 2 meter wire, but I just wanted a backup in case if it fails. Okay, so it's a braided, like you can feel the cloth finish here. The use case for me is like I wanted something to charge my MacBook and phone as well as GoPro. So maybe this will help me. I will test later on, like if it is charging all my devices or no. Yeah, 2 meter is big. I think most of the people on earth are less than 2 meter, 99%. So it should reach from head to toe. Yeah. 2 years warranty is what they claim, so yeah, hopefully let's hope it will last long. And quality looks fine only. I also have to test the data transmission rate, like here they have written something 20 volt DC, 3 ampere, 60 watt, made in Vietnam, model is CAB004. So yeah, this was USB-C to USB-C data cable from Belkin. Belkin, yeah, this was a company name. Boost charge. Be ready for today. Okay, yeah, so this was it. This was the data cable.